Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. Let's continue our 10 essential verbs. In previous video, we've already mentioned 去 and 来. At the end of 来, we learned a sentence. 下雨了，我们回去吧. This 回 is return, back. It will also be today's verb, 回, return. It can be return a place, and it also can return other stuffs. Okay, let's have a look at return to the place firstly. Generally, it means return to the place you're living or you were living, or the place you stayed at before. 回家，回公司. And also you can use these 回 together with the two verbs we learned before. 回去, go back. 回来, come back. Examples. 我每天6点下班回家。下班 of work, finish work. 每天 every day. And a question you may ask your family. 你几点回来? When you're located at home, you ask your family when they're back home. 你几点回来? And for me, as a Chinese people, I come from Beijing, and right now I live in the UK. So for me, I can say 回中国, return to China, and 回北京, return to Beijing. If I'm back to China, I also can say 回英国, back to the UK, because I also live in the UK. But when people say 回国, that only means return to the original country. Like me, 回中国 is a 回国. But I can't say 回英国 as 回国 because my nationality is not British. Return also can return other stuff. Return the answer. Return any word. Return memory. Examples. 回答, 回复. This all means respond something. 答 means answer. 回答, you return the answer. 回复, this will more likely be used to replay others' message. 回顾, this is a review. 顾 has the meaning of look, watch, similar as 看, but slightly formal than 看. So 回顾, you return to watch what happened before, what you did before. So review. 回音, yin, voice. The return voice. So echo. 回忆, yi is memory. So 回忆 is recall something. Can be used as verb or noun. Example. 我的童年有很多快乐的回忆. Happy memories. 快乐的回忆. Next video, we will mention another verb has really similar pronunciation as 回, which will be 会 false tone. 会. Okay, I will see you in next video soon.